Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your love forecast. Who is coming towards you next for Aquarius? Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, this reading is for you. If you know an Aquarius like me, just kidding, friends. If you know an Aquarius, you can cross watch this reading for them. Friends, please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Friends, please do subscribe. It really makes my heart, it makes my day when you subscribe. Many angel blessings. If you have already subscribed, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. You will get the notifications. And also, friends, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And if you do join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. We are over 12,000 people also there, 12,000 amazing souls there. So do join us there. And I post a lot there every day. So yes, and let's begin. So let's see aqua people, Aquarius, who's coming next for you. First we are going to see your overall energy, and then we are going to look who's coming next for you, Aquarius. Also, friends, you can watch these readings anytime, as they are timeless, they are not time specific. So yes, watch them anytime, Aquarius. Wow, cards are actually dropping today. A lot of cards are dropping. Let me just grab that. Alrighty. Oh my god. Alrighty, finally got it. The Knight of Pentacles. Wow, that was a quick move for a Knight of Pentacles, isn't it? To go down the table. Okay, okay, the Hermit. Okay, so, ooh, the Knight of Cups. Ooh, Aquarius, what's happening with you? What is the main theme for Aquarius? We are asking for a theme. Why are you giving all these cards, angels? Please give me a theme, how the main theme for Aquarius. The Empress. So definitely I feel you could be dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces now or ahead. Or definitely these two people are on your mind or in your life. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra. I don't know why I said Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I wanted to say Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Oh my god. Capricorn, so there's two people, which Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Libra could be in your life, friends. I feel these people are younger than you and in a different age group, or maybe you are younger than them, so they are elder and you are younger. They are of a different age group, culture, and they are also very defensive, but they both love you and they want to win you. I feel, Aquarius, you are in this energy of the Empress. You are feeling very sure of who you are feeling very committed, ready for love, and Empress is the queen of queens or the king of kings, you know. So you are feeling like, yes, you deserve the best, and you are seeing yourself as, how do I say, you are feeling very creative and you are happy wherever you are. If you are single, you want to get married, especially if you are a woman, you want to have some kids and have a family, all those things, you know, and you want to be treated very beautifully. Because you have understood your you have understood something. You also see this lotus. It reminds me of goddess Lakshmi. You're feeling like that. I don't know why. Yeah, or even if you are a woman, maybe even if you are a man watching this, maybe the person you have in mind, you see them as goddess Lakshmi, or like a goddess, or like a fairy, like an angel, something like that. But you are feeling very happy, very secure in yourself. And also I feel, Aquarius, you are trying to figure things out. It is like, something is not clear in your love life right now. It is something is not very clear. Maybe these two people are not sharing their feelings, or they have not yet come in your life, so something is not clear, and you are trying to focus on your self love. You are happy being with yourself. You are trying to figure out a way, but you're still happy wherever you are, Aquarius. That's what I feel. So who is coming towards Aquarius, angels in love? Let's see that. Oh god, that was interesting. I don't know why the cards are flying. The Two of Cups, it came in reverse. Now there is the Hanged Man, there is the Emperor, there is the Ace of Pentacles. Angels, they don't even let me shuffle today. They are flying. Cards are flying for you. Then there is the Three of Pentacles. Angels for Aquarius, who is coming towards them. Four of Pentacles. Six of Cups. The Lovers. Three of Swords. Definitely I feel Aquarius, it's like, you definitely have a connection in your mind or someone in your mind, but I don't know if this person or you are feeling like out of love or out of touch. Maybe this person isn't talking to you, or you both are not in touch with each other. It could be like you have not been in touch since last February, March, April. I don't know, I get like from 1 year to, or maybe 2 3 months, you have not been in touch with this person. Or maybe you both are feeling like out of love or out of compatibility, or this connection isn't going. Angels, can you clarify? Two of Cups. See, this person has ghosted you, this person has cheated on you, or there is this thing going on, like, not being honest, this feeling of being lied to. And you know who you are, Aquarius, you know who you are. So you are like, no, I will not accept this. And so you may have fallen out with this person, but the connection is still there, because the Two of Cups is still there. It may be reversed, but it is still there. You may have ended this connection, but this person hasn't moved out of this connection. They are still hanging, or maybe you are hanging in between, on pause. It's like you can't forget them, but they are not coming towards you, and that is why you have the Hermit. You want to figure things out. Why is this happening? This person isn't good for me. Or maybe there are two people and you are like confused, and you are like, I don't know which one to choose. I feel someone is keeping you stuck, or some relationship is stuck right now, Aquarius, and it makes you furious, but you have accepted it and you have moved on from it. I feel this person is not you're the person you are involved with. Could be your husband, wife, could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is a very strong person. They are stiff, they are cold, they don't share. I don't know, they should have been your adjectives, but this person has that adjective. They are stiff, they are cold, they are controlling their feelings. They are trying to control this relationship, and it has destroyed this relationship. I feel they are trying to control, and they are now looking back. This person is from your past, maybe 1 year before you knew this person or dated this person, or 1 or 2 months back also you were in on and off contact. This person is looking back and trying to understand what they did, why they did not share, why are they still stuck here. This person wants to come back with a new offer of love towards you, and not just an offer of love. This is something of a commitment. They want to ground things with you now. They want to work things out with you, and they want to offer you equal partnership. Or if you work with this person, they want to work like at career or a job. They want to work with you or build something with you. Maybe you are both creative people, because the Empress is here. So you both may be creative, or this person wants to get married to you and, like, create a family, like you both and another person create a family with you. I feel this person is really not letting you go anywhere. Even though you may have walked away from this person, Aquarius, they are not letting you go, and neither they are coming towards you. But I feel ahead they will make a move towards you. This person is your soulmate. There is a strong connection, a strong childhood innocence to each of you or both of you. You may have known each other from school, or there is some innocence, there is like purity in this connection. They feel a lot of attraction towards you, Aquarius. They love your knowledge, your body. They see you like this angel, they see you like this goddess or god. If you're a man watching this and your girlfriend is Aquarius, you also feel very attracted towards them. Or you both love each other, how you look, physically, mentally, all those things. They love your eyes. They love your eyes. This person, This person, Aquarius, they love your eyes. I feel they still are very real. Even if they come forward towards you, this person is like a strong emperor. They have a lot of problem opening their heart. They may have been hurt in the past, but they are not over you, and they want to come back and offer you marriage, but it will take some time to open their heart. Uh, and I feel for you also. Let us see. See, Page of Swords. I think you will ask them why they hurted you, why they blocked you, and all those things, why they cheated on you. Some truths need to be said. Sorry, friends. Definitely Seven of Cups. I feel you will also have another option, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius coming towards you. So you'll be like, yeah, I have choices. Why will I choose you? A Page of Cups, see, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is coming towards you. And definitely this person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Libra person, they also want to come towards you and offer you this. Let's see an advice. So lots of people are coming for you, Aquarius. Advice for Aquarius for their love life. The sacral chakra, definitely, creativity, passion, intimacy, all those things too, emotional connections, all those things are on your mind. And number 8, the 8 of swords, control. I feel this person is trying to control this relationship or their mind or their feelings, and they are not trying to open up and speak like clearly how they feel about you, and that is what is causing this relationship to get stuck even though you both are soulmates. Will this person come towards Aquarius? Rest and reconsider. I feel this person and you both are taking some time apart, so there may be a no contact situation happening right now. You both, I feel this person has done you a lot of heartache, and this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or this Libra or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, they have done a lot of pain towards you, a heartache. They have caused you a lot of pain and heartache. So you both are trying to take some time apart. You both are trying to be like this hermit, but I feel they will still come towards you. Will this person come make a move towards Aquarius? Yeah, listen, see, I definitely feel they want to talk to you, and they will. Again, there is the number 2, there is 2, there is 8 and 9. So there things are progressing. This person wants to talk to you. Any other messages for Aquarius? Ooh, happiness. That's beautiful, Aquarius. Happiness is coming towards you. And parrot, someone will gossip about all your secrets. Oh my god. I feel this person has a lot of things to tell you, and they are like, once they open up, they are like gonna non-stop talk to you, and they are like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do? March might be important. Maybe something happened this March, ghosting, blocking, or this year March, or maybe the last year, or any March. July, yeah, so maybe you will hear from them in July. Aquarius, that's it for now. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is it for now. Mystic C saying bye.